Hey guys, Sean here, Beijing HBK, here with another video to show you how to start a resale business. I'm going to leave links in the description below of everything we discuss here to help you get started. And make sure you stick around throughout the end of the video for special bonus content to help you start your... All right, guys. So what are the things you need to start a resale business? You can basically start a resale business with just your phone. We're going to go with eBay for the examples for this. So download the eBay app. You can decide if you want to get a store or not have a store just to start off. But as time goes on and you want this to be a business, you should get a store. Business account, any bank, you can open a business account to keep your personal money and your business money separate. You always want to keep a record for when tax time comes around. And with a business account, it's always good to get some software. I use QuickBooks is a good software to have to add your business bank accounts to track everything going in and out. And at the end of the year, you can give it all over to your tax guy or your accountant. Get a business account. If you have a LLC, C Corp, do the business account. You can also invest in some equipment as time goes on, as money builds up. Right now, you don't need the equipment when you're first starting out, but as time goes on, you want to get a lighting studio with a backdrop. You want to upgrade to maybe a DSLR camera. Those are pretty good. You can also get yourself to, when you start out, you can use a regular printer, inkjet printer, and then upgrade later on to a thermal printer. Thermal printer will save you so much money. And all right, so let's go and look at a few sites where we can look at some inventory. So let's look at My Unique. They're another thrift store based out of New York and New Jersey and a few other states. My Unique is a bigger chain of thrift stores, and they have a color code system from 25% off, 50% off, 75% off, and they change it about twice a week. So they're pretty good. Bigger chain of thrift stores. They normally have a color code system for 50% off for 2 colors. Every month those colors change. They have a few stores in different areas. So far in New Jersey, Rahway, Linden, Elizabeth. Not too sure if they are in any other states, but this is what comes up when I search them. But you can actually shop Goodwill online. Besides going into a Goodwill store, you can shop online at the Goodwill. They do auctions. They also have regular part of their site where you can just buy it now. So if you don't want to leave the house and you want to do some thrifting, you go on to shopgoodwill.com and you can get some good stuff also. So besides going to the bins or going to a regular Goodwill thrift store, you can shop at shopgoodwill.com. In this business, you should try as many resources as you can find. And as time goes on, you can always reach out to wholesalers. There's bulk.com. There's 88 lots. Just go into Google and do some research and you'll find a lot. All right, some bonus content for you guys. Behalf.com. They're a finance company. If you guys need extra capital, if you're doing bulk or wholesale deals and all your money's tied up at the time, you can use Behalf to finance your transactions. They do 30 and up to 90 days for repayments. I'm no way affiliated or sponsoring the company, but I have personally used this company for a few transactions before during for fourth quarter, and they work out great. So check that out, guys. Behalf.com. I'll leave the link in the description below for you. All right, guys. So I hope I was able to give you guys some basic information that will help you start your own resale business. If you liked what you've seen, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button. This is Sean, Beige and H.